Hello everyone, this is kiranmalache. So welcome back to my another blog. So I had came at the home on the occasion of Diwali, but after coming at home, I got one work, and that is repairing small area of my small house. So I came at the farm with my brothers and start collecting the brisk on the bullock cart. Here my brother was standing when I moved camera towards him. After collecting all the brisk, we packed the bullock cart. At the same time, my father called me and he sent me at the home for bringing this onion seed. If you are a farmer, then please give the price of this pack of onion seeds. Here my brother was turning on the switch of motor because we wanted to water to the onion seeds. After watering to the onion seeds, we came back to the bulls because now we wanted to go at the home with the brisk. But before going at the home, we feed them some water. And this is how we start the journey towards the home. By profession, I am a language coach, but I always try to show the different types of blogs related with English by which you can also improve your English. Because listening is the another part of learning English, and that's why I am here to guide you. English is very flexible language, but we need to spend our some time for it. Even in my family, there is no one with whom I can take a practice, with whom I can speak in English, but still I am presenting myself as a language coach. Why? Because I had given that much time to improve it. And if you also want to improve English, then you also need to spend some time for it. After traveling for some time on the bullock cart, finally we reach at the home and we deliver the brisk at the home. After delivering the brisk, we leave the bullock cart at the farm. And after that, I tie the bulls at their place. After that, me and my brother start working. And this is that small area that we wanted to repair. After some time, me and my brother started keeping the brisk properly. But in between the work, we came to know that we need more brisk. So for taking the brisk, we again came back to the farm, and after making the route for the bullock cart, we started keeping the brisk on the bullock cart. From the many days, this bull also wanted to be the part of my YouTube, so I also record his video. And here this is the small view of farm. Instead of living at the life of city, I always like to enjoy my life at the farm. After keeping all the brisk, we brothers again start the journey towards the home. And again after traveling for the some time, we reach at the home. After spending some time in working, finally we completed the first process of repairing this area. And after some time we apply the water on it because now we wanted to repair it with the help of cement. And after applying the water, we start working for it. Finally, after working for some time, we got this result. And this is the last result of it. If you're new on my channel, then please subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Till that, bye bye.